So you want to start making some money on the side and you want a side hustle, this video is for you. So today I'm going to be discussing some different side hustles that you can try out and that you can start making some money from. Some of which can actually turn into a full-time income and you can actually make proper money from. So let's just get into it. The first and foremost side hustle that you can start doing is virtual assistants. So you can become a virtual assistant, and if you're interested in becoming a virtual assistant and the process of becoming a virtual assistant, I do have a video that you can watch and you can basically know how to become a virtual assistant. With being a virtual assistant, you can either get a full-time job where you are able to actually be a type of employee and be full-time employed by someone as a virtual assistant, or you can be a freelancer who works on a part-time basis and only does a few tasks here and there for different companies. With this type of side hustle, you can actually replace your entire 9-to-5 salary because it can also be a 9-to-5 in itself. So if you are interested in how to do this, I do have a video detailing the process of how to become a virtual assistant. You can make anywhere from $1,000 per month to $2,400 per month when you are a virtual assistant. So when it comes to conversions and the South African rand to dollars, you will make a lot of money in South Africa as a virtual assistant. You just need to make sure that you have really good skills and you actually have skills that are sought after in the virtual assistant field. And I've mentioned some of these skills in my other video, so you can check that out. And you also need to make sure that you are able to interview very well as have a good resume so that people can hire you as a virtual assistant. The second side hustle is teaching English online. So we've all heard about teaching English online. Teaching English online is a great side hustle, especially if you have a full-time job and you just want something on the side that you can do flexibly when you have the hours. So you can start teaching English online on different platforms such as Cambly, italki, Education First. There's different ones. So you can start searching on the different companies that are available and you can start applying and do the whole process of applying. You just need to make sure that you have a TEFL certificate that you can get for free on Teacher Record, or make sure that when you do get your TEFL, you go to a reputable place so that it is recognized and you don't waste your time and you are able to apply with that TEFL certificate. So that's one way you can make money, is by teaching English online. Another way to start making money online is print on demand. So what is print on demand? So what print on demand is basically is you have an online store where you have products that you don't keep. So you have products that are pictures of products and you create designs on Canva and you place them on your products. These products can be mugs, t-shirts, handbags, anything really that can have a type of design on it. And what happens is a company, which is an external company, then prints out or they handle the shipping of the product once someone orders. So someone comes to your website, they order the product, and then the supplier gets the message and they create the product and then they wrap it for you and then they send it out to the person who ordered the product. Now with print on demand, you can use a company called Gelato, which is Gelato. And this company actually has a warehouse in South Africa, so you can do print on demand with them and you'll be able to start your print on demand business. And you can also use Shopify or Equid to create your online store, and you would have to have an online store in order to do print on demand. The nice thing about print on demand is that you don't have to have physical products and it's not very expensive to get started. So you can try that side hustle if that is something that sounds good. The last side hustle that I am personally a fan of is selling digital products. So with selling digital products, I do have a detailed video about how to go about the process. And once you have a digital product and you put it up on a website, once you market it on social media and you're able to get traffic to your digital product, you will definitely see a lot of money. The nice thing about selling digital products is that it is a side hustle, so you can do it on the side of your actual income, and it is very passive. So once you create your digital product once, you can have it on your website and then people can order it and literally it just gets shipped out. Well, it doesn't get shipped out, but it just gets downloaded automatically without you having to do anything. So it makes it easier for you to actually do other things outside of your digital product business. So those are some of the ways that you can start making some money through side hustles. And these ways, all of them personally I love, and all of them are actually very worth it to start. And you can start making money on the side, or you can actually turn them into full-time gigs that you can do on a regular basis as a 9-to-5 type of job. If you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one.